Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add widgets on iPhone lock screen. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. To add widget on iPhone lock screen, all you have to do is unlock your phone, open notification center like this, tap and hold, and then select customize option. So it will basically take you to customization page. So this is one way to get to this page. Another way is if you are on home screen, simply go to settings option, go down, select wallpaper over here, then it will show you lock screen and home page. On lock screen, you have to tap on customize option, and again it will take you to customization page. Now at the bottom you can see there is a widget bar. If you want to reposition it, you can do that. You can just simply change the size of time which is visible, and you can move this widget bar at the top. But again, if you change the size of time, then widget bar will be at the bottom. So you can do the changes as per your requirement. Now in order to add any particular widget, you have to select add widgets over here, and you get multiple widgets option. If you want to add widget related to calendar, you can see there is an option of calendar. You can choose whichever size you want. If I select this particular size, this is how it will be displayed on the lock screen. Next is, if you want to add more widget, again tap on the widget bar, and this time you can choose another size. Suppose if I want to add widget related to batteries, I'm going to go in batteries. If you have AirPods, you can add this small widget, and again you can search for different widget this time. If you want to add anything related to clock, you can just simply go to clock. You can check out there are multiple widgets display over here. So you can choose whichever option you want. Some of the options are already visible at the top like this. There is again a widget for calendar which we have already added. There are multiple widgets, so you can choose widget depending on your requirement, and once everything is done, don't forget to tap on that done option, and this is how the widget will be displayed on the iPhone lock screen. As said, if you want to change the position, go to customize option, change the size of time, and you can move the widget bar at the top like this, and again save it. So this is how you will be able to see the widget. If you tap on any particular widget, it will take you to that particular application. That's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.